Hello, thank you for joining me for this new and exciting tutorial walkthrough on the Skewb Mixup Part 1. Let's get started. So yeah, this is the Part 1 of the three Skewb Mixups. This is the easiest one. I have the other two, and they're definitely more challenging, but at the end of this, there's pretty much one specific move that you need to know how to do in order to solve it. And also, as you're doing it, at times you're going to need to know how to do it, the move. So we'll give it a little bit of scramble. It doesn't matter how you scramble it, you could just do it whatever way you want to. I like to always give it a really good scramble. I think that's fair. No matter what kind of puzzle I do, I always give it a good scramble. Then after you scramble it, a good idea is to do one sledgehammer move just to really give it a good mix up. Yeah, we'll do a little more. Make sure it's scrambled good. Do one more sledgehammer just to mix it up really well. Just to make it fair, So yeah, we'll get started. So the first thing we do is you could start with any side you want on the centers, whatever color you want. We'll start with the white. And the first white piece we need to put in is right here. And we're going to put it right here. So that's a simple move right there. Okay, so we'll look around, see if we can. Here's another one right here, another white. We'll bring it up here. Just circle it around. Oh, my fault. Here's another white one. We'll try to move it around a little bit. See what we can do here. Oh, there we go. So white's here. We'll bring it right here. And we'll look for the last white. We'll see if we could put that in. Yeah, there we go. The white's here. Bring it right here. Just bring it up and circle it around. Okay, so we'll just do, I guess, the red next. Red is fine. We'll bring this red here, like that. Here's another red piece. Bring it around, see if we can angle it. No? Okay, so, alright, so this red piece has got to go here, and this is the move I'm talking about. So I'll do it slow so you can understand, and I'll be doing it probably a couple more times throughout the solve. So the first thing you do is we're going to bring this piece here down like that. We're bringing the red down. So first step is bring it down like that. And then we take this orange piece, the red top, and we're going to turn it going down that way. Like this. Okay. Next step is this orange piece, which we're planning on replacing, is we're going to bring it going down here. Switch it with the white like this. We're going to bring this piece back up because the red is right here, and we're going to switch it. Now we're going to bring this piece back down so we can match it up with the red like that, and then we got the white back in place, and we just put the red in. So that's the move I'm talking about. At times you're going to have to do that, and we'll definitely be doing it more times, but that's an important move to know. That's very important. That's the only way you could solve this puzzle, is actually with that move. So here we go again. This red has to come here. Green is going to come here. So what we do first is we're going to bring this down like this. Okay, I just want to do it slowly so you understand. We're going to bring this down first. Next, we're going to bring this red and green. We're bringing it down on an angle like this. So we're bringing it down like that. Next, we're going to switch the green with the white. Like that. Now we're going to bring this back up, and the red piece is going to come up like that. Now we switch it. Let's bring the red back down like that. Switch it. So now we have the red face solved and the white. So next we will try to do, I guess, blue. It doesn't matter what side, what color, it doesn't matter at all. We're going to do the same move again. This blue's got to come here where the green's at. So we're going to bring this down, bring it down. Then we're going to bring this top blue and green going down this way, the whole piece. Oop, like this. Turn it that way. Then we're going to switch the green and the yellow. Then we're going to bring the blue pieces down here. We're going to bring it up. Switch. Bring the blue back down. Switch. And we'll switch this, the green and the yellow. Okay, so we got one more blue to find, and that will be solved. So same thing, we'll do the same move because it's easier. Instead of like trying to angle it and trying to find all the right angles, it's easier to do the move and it's more convenient. Bring this down. Then we're going to bring this blue piece down. Oop, we're going to bring this blue piece down going this way, like how I showed before. So we just bring this top piece down, turn it like that. Next, we're going to switch the blue with the yellow, like that. Bring this up here, and we're going to put the blue in. And that's it. So we finished the blue face. Okay, so I think, let's see, I think we'll do green next. That's fine. It doesn't matter, you know, what color, like I said. Okay, so we'll do the same move again. These green and orange has got to switch, so we're going to bring this, you know, we're going to switch the two. So we bring this piece down, step one. This orange and green is going to come down here. This is step two, like that. Bring this down and switch these two out, like that. And that was pretty good. We were able to solve two of them at once. Okay, so we'll find the last green and see where that's at. Oh, it's right here. So this is an easy one. Just bring it up and turn. You get that sometimes. I mean, you don't get it all the time. So that's why I show that one move, you know, to switch the pieces, because if you don't know that move, you ain't going to solve the puzzle. So here we go. We could switch these two because this was here. Oh, this was, let's see here. Okay, so we'll switch these two. These are the two last pieces, I think. Yeah, for the centers. Okay, so we'll switch these two. Same move. This is going to come up here. This will come down here. First step, bring this down like this. The yellow, you're bringing it down. Next, the orange and yellow is going to come down this way. Oop. Like this. Next, we're going to switch to orange and the red. bring this back up like this, switch that, orange is in, bring this back down so we could switch these two, and there you go. That's the first part for solving the Skewb Mix-Up Part 1. Next is we just got to solve like a regular Skewb. So we'll do the white face, and like I said, it doesn't matter what color. You could solve it any way you want to, the final move. So we'll just bring this up so this matches. We got the orange and green. We got the white, orange, and blue here, so that's going to go right here, but we just got to switch it. So we'll just bring it down like this. Then we're going to turn this part like this. Bring this up like that. So we got it matching. Here's the white, green, and red. It will go right here in this corner. So what we could do is we'll bring it up like this. We'll bring it down over here like that. So this is going to go here. So what we'll do is we'll turn it this way, and then we're going to bring it up here. And we got one final one. It's in the right place, but we just have to turn it. So we're going to bring it down here where this corner's at, like that. Then we're going to turn this so it's on an angle so it could come up like that. And we'll bring it up here, and we'll bring this back. Make sure you bring it back after. No matter which one you're doing, make sure you always bring the other piece back so you don't lose track. Okay, so let's see here. What do we got here? Okay, so we have this yellow piece here. And what you want to do is find this yellow piece. And it should be, you know, if you have to turn the cube, make sure it's on the left side, this piece. Like if you have two like this, turn the cube until you find it where, make sure it's on the left side here. And we'll do one sledgehammer move. So we'll do down, down, up, and up. Okay, so we got the two yellow headlights here. We're going to put that on the right side here. We'll do one sledgehammer move. Down, down, up, and up. Okay, so we solved the yellow center. We got the orange solved and the white so far. Now, there's two more steps for the final finish. So we're going to bring the blue down to this spot where it goes, and we're just going to keep doing the sledgehammer until it solves. Down, down, up, up, down, down. Okay, so blue is in, orange is solved, and it changed it around a little bit, but that's what was supposed to happen. So now we're going to bring this green down here, and we're going to do the sledgehammer 3 times, and it will solve this. These two will switch, and these two here, yellow and white, are going to switch, and the puzzle will be solved. So we do a sledgehammer move 3 times. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. One more time and we're going to finish. Down, down, up, and up. So, congratulations. You have officially solved your Skewb Mix-Up 1. Everything is solved and in place. So if you follow these steps, you're definitely guaranteed you're going to solve it. Yeah, the key to this is not just, you know, matching it up and switching the piece like this, bring it back down, and you know that. The key is knowing how to switch how to switch out this piece, like with this piece, these two, that one move I showed. And when you do that, because you're going to have a lot of cases like that where you can't exactly, like let's say this blue one, you can't bring it up here and switch it. It might be where you know, a certain color, you can't bring it up and switch it. You have to switch these. You have to switch like this one and this one. And so you need to know how to do that move. And once you know how to do that move, it becomes easy. I showed it probably about 6 times in this tutorial. If you have to, there's slow motion on YouTube to do it. If it's harder to understand. But yeah, it's pretty easy to understand. Once you practice that move over and over, it becomes real easy. So we did solve our Skewb mix-up, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate that. I appreciate you took the time to watch and enjoy this video. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. And it's Friday night here in Chicago, and I have my McDonald's coffee, of course. Coffee and cubing. I'm loving it. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I appreciate that. I really mean that. I really appreciate you took the time to watch, and I hope you solve your Skewb mix-up and enjoy it. Have a great night. Thank you for watching.